Still can't believe aphmau and Aaron are dating.
It's about time the alpha male and female were dating. This will be the first time the alphas are actually dating in forever.
What the?
Are you kidding? This is the first time the alphas are human, too. I'm just glad their personalities are feisty.
He even grabbed her tail the other day. So cute.
She let him grab her tail? That means... No.
By the way, where did you get confirmation they were dating?
I can just tell.
Then don't act like you know what you're talking about.
Stop that.
Garth, there you are. I need to talk to you about aphmau.
Yeah, you better start talking.
I think she's seeing...
How could you kiss her and not tell me? Especially after our first date.
What the... What are you talking about? Wait, your first date? You mean you dated her?
Of course I did. But then you had to come along and...
Wait, you dated her? Behind my back? Dude, you knew how I felt about her.
Wait, did she tell you about our kiss?
She kissed you?
Lawrence, look, I'm sorry. I should have said something to you earlier. But I had strong feelings for her and I...
Look, I don't want to get into details about this. I think we're both being played here.
Are you sure?
I mean, she's seeing someone else. Aside from us.
What? Who?
Aaron.
The delinquent? You're kidding me. How do you know this?
I've heard students talking about it. And she didn't tell either of us about either kiss. How can we trust she's been telling us the truth?
Yeah, you're right.
Chill out, Tiani. You'll do fine on the Spanish test.
No, I won't. There's like 7 words I don't know.
How many words are on the test?
7.
You mean there are only 7 words on a test and you basically didn't study?
That's basically what I'm saying. I was busy studying for my chemistry test. I forgot to study for my Spanish one.
Here, you can have my flashcards. I have the same class.
Really? Oh, thank you so much, aphmau.
No problem. Just make sure to give them back after class, okay?
I sure will. I'm going to cram all this knowledge into my brain right now. Let's see. Yellow, amarillo, blue, azul.
Tiani. She's adorable. In any case, I'm headed to class. Want to walk with?
Nah, I'm gonna do what I came here to do originally.
Huh? What's that?
Use the bathroom?
Oh, right. Yeah, forgot. Anyway, see you later, aphmau.
See you later, Caitlin.
So, spill the beans, Lily. How are things going with Aaron?
Boring.
Yikes! Really?
Yeah, he's just... weird. Not to mention he's awkward. He barely talks to me.
Sheesh, what a drag.
Tell me about it. I just want to use him, break his heart, and get it over with. Ugh, but he's just so hard to reach. At this rate, it's going to take longer than we planned. Good thing he's kind of cute to look at.
Cute? Scarface?
Ew! Oh shoot, did she hear us?
After her! Jean! That stupid potato heard about our plan!
What?
She overheard us talking in the bathroom and now she's probably off to tell Aaron!
You were talking about our plan out loud in public? How stupid can you... Huh. Wait a minute. This might actually be a good thing. No, a great thing.
Huh? What do you mean?
Let her tell him. I have a feeling this will work in our favor. Lily, keep up the nice girl act with Aaron. I have a feeling he'll need someone to talk to after this.
Hey!
You? What do you want?
Look, I wanted to tell you about your friend, Lily. She's using you.
What?
She wants to hurt you and then leave you.
Yeah, right.
Look, I'm trying to help your dumb face right now, so just listen to me.
I'm disappointed in you.
Huh?
Lily is the first person to talk to my face like an actual person.
Huh? Wait!
Leave me alone.
Fine. I tried to warn him. What do I care if he gets his heart broken? But maybe I haven't been as nice to him either. What's wrong with me?
You're really cute, you know.
Ah, thank you.
Lawrence?
Ah, hi, cute lady. Michi has to go to class, but maybe she'll see Lawrence around.
Absolutely beautiful.
Bye!
Lawrence, what was all that about?
What do you mean? I was just talking to that cute girl.
Huh? But I thought you liked me.
I did.
Huh? Lawrence, wait! Where are you going? Don't you want to have lunch with me?
No, I'm going to class. Later.
Huh? What the? He's acting weird. Did I do something? No. I need to find Garth. Garth! Oh, there you are. I think Lawrence might be going through something. Huh? Garth? Hey! Garth! Would you look at me?
Aphmau, I've heard some things. I believe Lawrence has too.
Huh? What do you mean?
If I wasn't your type, you could have just said so.
Hey, Gareth! Come on, we gotta practice!
See you later, Aphmau.
Huh? I don't understand what's going on. This is horrible. Why are Garth and Lawrence acting so differently? I just don't understand. I feel so alone. Everything has gone from 0 to 100 in one day. Everyone else is in class and I have no one to talk to about this and... Huh? Wait! That's right! Hello? Excuse me?
What do you want?
I wanted to see if I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I know I only come when I have a problem, but you seem like someone I can turn to when...
Just leave me alone today.
Huh?
I don't want to talk to you right now.
What? Even you?
Go away.
It feels like everyone is turning on me. Everything feels like it's crumbling under my feet. Who's next? Caitlin? Tiani? What did I do? Wait. There's one person who always understands and listens. FC, are you there? I'm sorry to text you during school, but I really need you right now. Shu, I'm here. What's wrong? Are you okay? I don't know. Everyone is acting so differently today. Especially those two guys I had told you about. They're ignoring me and not acting like the people I know them to be. Huh? What? Is that my phone echoing? Where's that sound coming from? Calm down. There's not much I can do aside from telling you that everything is going to be okay. I don't know the details of what you're going through. I just know these guys like you. Did you do something bad to them? I don't know. What is that noise? It's like I think I did something bad. Not only to them, but to someone else today. As well, everything just seems so twisted. And I just need someone to talk to.
Are you getting texts?
Huh? What? Wait a minute. That's not my phone echoing. Do you hear that? What? Knocking? No. What? Did you hear that? Did you hear that knocking? Are you knocking on a door? That phone going off. Is that you? Is this some kind of sick game? It has to be. There's no way we go to the same school. I'll knock 3 times. You're right outside this door. That means... Huh? Wait!
You?
No! No! It can't be you! You can't be FC! No, I can't do this!
Wait, please.
This isn't real! This is some kind of joke!
It isn't, I swear. I'm FC.
But I don't like you!
You don't like FC?
No, I don't like Aaron! I love FC!
I think aphmau's annoying, but I love Shu.
This is so confusing. I don't know how to feel about you.
Same. But what I do know is that there's more to aphmau than I thought.
But this is so weird.
Well, you know, you look a lot taller in the game.
Shut up.
Shu, I just want to get to know you. The real you. Can we just talk?
Yeah. You know, I'd like that.